Alright, so we're going to check temperatures and pressures on American Standard. And one thing you want to take note of is the refrigerant type is 410, so it should be a little higher than R22. So, red is our high side. Okay, blue is our low side. Alright, so we have it's about 60 degrees outside, so it's cool. So this is going to be a little bit lower than normal, you know, a little over 225, and this one is about 110, so that's really good. We have a 20-degree split on the inside. Always refer to your PT chart as well.